It's one of the best view for sunset in the island, with the company of cheeky monkeys. Be aware, one of them ripped my glasses right off my face, and we had long run after it until the security guard changed my glasses for a banana. Place number 8. Ubud. Ubud is the heart and soul of Bali. Must do in Ubud is go into monkey forest. It's a unique experience to watch a lot of monkeys running in their habitat. Before you go inside, you need to read the rules, and it really makes sense to follow these rules. As we had accident here, my husband fed monkey that sat on his shoulder. He forgot that it's not allowed to touch them and tried to pet a monkey while he eating. So it bitten him a little, and after it he should do 4 vaccinations against rabies. And yes, monkeys do like swimming. When we lived in Bali on quarantine time, on neighbor villa where nobody lives, monkeys had a very fun party. Also must visit place in Ubud is Champoyan Rice Walk. And I recommend you to visit Street of Masters. It's 8 kilometers of shops with local made souvenirs, arts and furniture. Once we lived in villa in Ubud, and snake fell from the roof while we were sitting outside.